Hello, everybody. So today we're going to be drawing another one of my favorite things. Uh, it's a flower called the pink plumeria. And so today you're going to be needing paper, a pencil with an eraser, and some colored pencils. Let's start by drawing a tiny dot anywhere on our paper, and that's going to serve as the center of our flower and just make it really easy to connect all the petals. So each one of my petals is going to be an oval shape that starts and ends at that dot. So if we look at our reference photo, you can see that each petal overlaps the one before it. And when I'm drawing, I'm going to do just that by overlapping the left side of my petal with the right side of the previous petal. Now I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase the parts of the petals that overlap. So it should always be that the right petal overlaps the one on the left. And now you have completed the pencil drawing. Yay! So, once you like the way that it looks, we're going to start with some colored pencils. And I'm going to take my yellow, my light pink, my dark pink, and my white. And I also forgot to mention this earlier, but we will be needing pen as well. So first I have my light, which is the white, my medium, which is the light pink, and my dark, which is the dark pink. So I'm going to start with sort of my base color, which is this light pink, and I'm just going to sort of trace along the right side of each petal so that I know that that is the darkest side. And then I'm going to go in and from right to left, I'm just going to shade. And as I come closer to the left side, the pressure that I put down on my paper is going to get lighter and lighter because I want the color to be lighter on the left. Do you see how it sort of fades from a darker pink to a lighter pink to white? I noticed that my color pencil was sort of smearing my regular pencil drawing, So I just went in with this really thin pen and I traced over my pencil lines. And yeah, so just grab a Sharpie or whatever and it just makes it look cleaner. Once you're done tracing with pen, just take an eraser and I'm gonna erase all of my uh, gray pencil lines that are still showing through. And don't worry if it erases some of your colored pencil because we'll be going in with more later, so it shouldn't really affect anything. Okay, so now for our second color, I'm going to take my dark pink, sort of magenta colored pencil, and I'm going to start adding some of the dark pink to our flower, and I'm going to start on the right side and just sort of like I'm going to shade with in sort of a half circle shape along the right side of my petal. And just as we did with the lighter pink earlier, the pressure that I put down on the paper is going to get lighter as I go to the left. And I'm going to do this on each petal. And then after I finish with the dark pink, I'm going to go back in with my light pink and just sort of fill in maybe some of the spots that I didn't get earlier and just make sure it blends well with the dark pink. So once the pink looks nice and blended, we can take the yellow colored pencil and starting from the center of the flower, on each petal, I'm just going to go maybe like a fourth of the way up, just a little bit of yellow to bring some more color in. So now that I've finished with the yellow and it looks really nice, I'm going to take, again, my dark pink / magenta colored pencil, and I'm just going to draw a few little lines at the bottom of each petal just to bring in some more of the details from the flower. And now you have finished the flower. So I'm super happy with the way that this one turned out. I hope you are too. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And please comment below if you have any suggestions for what I should draw next.